will be Jonathan Toews. Jordan Staal, the two captains on the draw. Sit back and enjoy this one from the Windy City. Off the faceoff, Dougie Hamilton. A clear in off the pad of Robin Lehner. Intercepted by Brent Seabrook, and Chicago is back out. Brandon Saad drops it off for Nylander. Now Jonathan Toews. His shot turned out. A rebound. Mrazek got a piece of it. Brandon Saad right out in front. It was defended by DeHaan. Svechnikov from the near boards takes it inside on Camp. Centering pass forged high by Aho. Great pass by Svechnikov. Near corner, Teravainen. Aho, a backhander stopped by Lehner. To the far wall, Jacob Slavin pinned a bit in his own zone. Puck is available. Gustafsson taken down. They play on. 2-0. Now Necas across a shot, and they score! Marty Necas on a 2-0. Beautiful setup with Nino Niederreiter.
Neutral zone, and some of that is forcing turnovers with numbers, and that's what Niederreiter does to create a rare 2-0. Beautiful give-and-go play. You know what I love about this? Marty Necas was welcome to the NHL, being on the hook for dinner on Saturday night here in Chicago. How often do you see it?
The neutral zone, a one-arm steer by Brandon Saad, and the Canes take it back. Jacob Slavin told to wheel by Peter Mrazek. He does up ice for Svechnikov. Shot taken. He scores! Andrei Svechnikov with that outstanding.
It's on motoring. Does this graze Seabrook stick? I'm not sure. Robin Lehner. He knew a little bit about Andrei Svechnikov last year, but still I don't think has a true appreciation of the heaviness of this release.
The Hawks circle back. They regroup, hinging out Connor Murphy. Murphy over the line. Will bounce a short hopper, kicked out by Mrazek, and he kicked it out with a purpose. That wasn't easy. To the near point. Shot back in off the backhand of Gustafsson. Now Lucas Wallmark. The lead pass for Nino Niederreiter near wing. A power move in front. He scores! El Nino! What a goal! 8:06 left to go in the second period. 3-0.
Right here. He touches the puck, plays it to himself, and is able to ensure the separation and stay on sides. And that is what allowed him to not have to worry about Gustafsson and just focus on making that power move to the backhand. I mean, that is sensational stuff.
Tangled with Joel Edmondson up on the play, and Chicago is having a hard time getting up ice. Teravainen dances in. Aho awaits through the slot. Svechnikov. Lehner comes up big. The Canes in good defensive posture through center with just about 12 minutes gone in this third period. Keith slides it out. DeBrincat through the middle. Kane gapping up Slavin. DeBrincat. Patrick Kane, far wing. He'll dangle. Out in front. They score! Erik Gustafsson.
The pin, but here Gustafsson just wins a race slightly on Dzingel. You never know which race is going to be the telling one. Fogo did a nice job. He was boxing out on Doc.
Along the wall, Slavin losing control. DeBrincat choked off, knocked down, controlled along the boards. Now good play by Fogle. Kirby Doc, spring pass. Kane defensively marked by Wallmark through the slot. Murphy right in. They score! Connor Murphy angles it off Peter Mrazek.
The Hurricanes actually had a really good forechecking shift after giving up the only goal they had. And eventually Chicago comes out with the puck. Kane has taken over in the playmaking dimension in the last couple of minutes. Niederreiter goes down, and I think prevents Mrazek from tracking this puck.
Face off won by Toews. DeBrincat. Gustafsson. DeBrincat fumbled it. Gustafsson off DeBrincat. Dead center Aho. Yawning Cage. That's all. Sebastian Aho with an empty net goal.
Boy, I look at this thing, John, and I don't see it like the Hurricanes fell off of it. I think they had a bunch of chances, in particular the big boys, Aho, Teravainen, Svechnikov.
A season that started with history and has more. 2 seconds left in Chicago. That's all. They will surround Peter Mrazek, who was stellar in this third period.